Hi, this is Zaf. In this quick video we're going to be looking at how to back up your email list in ActiveCampaign. At the end I'll also be sharing a free resource which I think you'll find really helpful, so keep an eye out for that later on. In the meantime, let's get started. Okay, so here we are in my ActiveCampaign dashboard. So yeah, I just need to go to Contacts, and then need to go to Lists. There we go. So it's a list. So scroll down to the list what we want to export. So you can see I've got a few lists there. So master contact, that one. So go to the master contact list, which is the default one. And then what I need to do now is click the three dots here and choose export, and put a name for export. So I'll just put backup and 24th of the 5th 2024, and then export. A quick way we can get to that is just click in here on the click to view progress option. I'll just take us then directly to the export section, and you can see there's an option now to download those contacts from that list. If you have more than one list, you have to do that also for your other list as well. And that's it really. That's all you need to do to back up your list, your email list in ActiveCampaign. Now, I mentioned at the start there's a free resource for you, so if you look in the description below you'll see a link to a free 7-day crash course that tells you how to make money with email marketing for beginners. Please like, subscribe and drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.